Hello, fellow chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and what a trading day that we had today. Full round trip. Okay, I'm gonna explain what I mean by full round trip in a minute, but look at this flow sentiment. Pretty bearish. Okay, we still got some calls and stuff. It's lagging a little bit, but we still got some calls and puts coming in. But it's mostly put. 68% of the is put flow. Others 32% is the call flow. And of course, we can add some criteria. We can filter them out. Maybe we want to see where the big money's going, so we can filter it to 500K for a premium. Maybe we want to be more specific and look for out the money contracts. As you can see, goes up to 87%. This is where the bigger money is going. All right, a majority of it. You got, look at this, 2.9 million premium, 5.9 million premium. There's sweeps, so aggressive plays. February 18th expiration date. Look at that, 428 strike for puts, 433, 428. It's a good amount. All right. So we do got some people buying calls. But big, as far as big money goes, 87% is going to the put side. All right. Now, check this out. I got a Discord. If you guys didn't know, I do my analysis on my Discord for my members before the market opens and during the market hours. Okay, in real time technical analysis, not just in hindsight. I make the call outs before the moves happen. Okay. So today I talked about how 455 to the 455.5s was key support yesterday. Okay, we lost it, dropped down to a 451 to 452.5 zone. That's a mouthful. Okay, so today I was watching, the plan was to watch for the 452.5 to 452.5 zone, and we should have both should have a chance at a relief bounce up to 455 to 455.5. Okay, now if we look, this is the 30-minute chart. Around here is 9:30. This is where it began when the market opened. And look, I made the call out before it happened. We got that relief rally. Okay, up to 455.5 zone. We broke it and went all the way up as high as 458.7. All right, so that was a nice back test. Okay, we recaptured because we opened around here 453.7. Recap in the beginning, as you see in the 30-minute chart, we recaptured that level, went all the way up. All right, so that was a bullish move in the beginning. Okay, some might call that a bull trap. All right, but it definitely was a nice relief rally. But what happened as the day went on? Okay, it came all the way back after the nice relief rally. Came back down to the 455 support level. And it was basing there a little bit, sideways action. And of course, in my Discord, I let my members know if we lose it. Where did I have it? Right here. Okay, 455 fails, back to 451 to 452.5 zone. And none of that opens the door to 447, then 445. All right, I made the call out before they happened. Did it happen? Looking at the 30-minute chart, boom. It dropped all the way down, hitting all the price targets for today. Now, I'm not showing that you guys that to show off my Discord. A lot of you guys already know I have a Discord. I post about it, talk about it all the time. The point is to show you how we trade based on price action. So this morning, when it recaptured 455, that was this blue trend line right there, as you can see. That's that blue one. When we recaptured it, that line then becomes support. All right, at least above a 15 minutes, I would consider that a recapture. That's the time to say, oh, recaptures are bullish. So you look for buying opportunities. And you usually do it until the next resistance zone. Okay, I had a price target 457.5. You know, you could say it's a zone, but that was the level that I had. I went up a little higher, but when we lost it, came back to retest that blue line. So at that point, we wanted to watch, will it bounce to keep the recapture secure, or will we lose it? So when we lost it, that was the sign to get bearish and then back to the downside to the next support, which is this yellow line around 452. When that was lost, that was a sign that we're going to head down to the next support level. So this is what I mean by playing it level to level, from resistant to support or support to resistant. Okay, and SPY has been pretty much taking out support, back testing it as resistant before heading down lower, taking out as another support, back testing as resistant before heading down lower. So as you can see here on this daily chart, we took out another support, 447.48. Okay, so tomorrow the question is, will it continue the same trend, the same pattern of breaking the support, and will we retest it again? Keep in mind the 200-day moving average is creeping up and it's acting pretty magnetic. All right, it's starting to attract to it. So will we get the test? Okay, so obviously we got to watch 447.48. If it opens above it, that level is then support, and it puts the yellow trend line in play. That's for tomorrow. It'll be around 452.4. Okay, so if it opens above that or gets back above that level, yellow trend line's in play for a back test, and we'll see what happens there. If we get a rejection there, that is bearish, and that's a sign more downside. If it breaks through and closes above there, that's a recapture, official recapture, and we could see more upside. All right, so if it opens below, remember, anytime, no matter where the SPY opens, the first thing you gotta figure out, where's support, where's resistance relative to where the SPY's price is currently. So if it opens in this level around 446 tomorrow, obviously resistance 447.4. Okay, that will act as a resistance. Could we back test that and watch how it reacts there? If it busts through, probably gonna see more upside to the next resistance, because now that's support. If it doesn't bust through and we see selling pressure, 443.6 is next, and possibly down to the 200-day moving average. Okay, so as I've been saying, guys, I've been bearish. Okay, we could watch some level. Of course, we can always play a level to level, to the bull side or to the bear side, but overall I am bearish. Okay, so watch for that retest tomorrow of 447.4. Above that, a retest, critical resistance here at 452.4. Above it, I'm bullish. Okay, rejections from there, I am bearish. Rejection from either of these resistance level, I am bearish, guys. Okay, take a look at the VIX. It broke another resistance level. We have resistance at 24.78. We broke that. So tomorrow, that level now will be support. The next resistance level is at 26.8. Okay, so we play it level by level. VIX is pretty much in overbought territory. That's not the only reason we should go bearish on VIX. We gotta watch for the loss of a support level. That's a good sign, and that's one of my favorite times to short. When we lose that support level, I'll probably enter when the support level has been lost, or the second option is to wait for the retest of that support level. As you can see on SPY, that does happen, and it's a pretty good strategy. All right, so that's what I got on the SPY. QQQ, as you can see, it broke way below the 200-day moving average. I got a lot of lines going on. Those are the fib levels. But it broke down from this orange flag. It broke that 365.5 support, which also was where the 200-day moving average is, and is currently just a little below the 361.89 support. So obviously you guys should know the drill. Okay, no matter where the QQQ is, identify where the support. So if it's above 361.89 tomorrow at open, that is support. We'll watch for the back test. Okay, Resistant, we have resistant here at 365.56. And of course, resistant from the orange line at about 366.88. Okay, that's gonna serve as our resistance tomorrow. Above that, we get back into the orange line, the orange flag, so that means 367 or above. That's bullish, and I will put 370.11 in play as the next price target. Okay, so like I always say, level to level. All right. Dow Jones also took out the 200-day moving average. Incredibly oversold on the RSI 7. Okay. Next support is down here at 346.2. Current resistance is at 348.4. Okay. So what we want to watch for is either a bounce off the support or a breakthrough of resistance or a rejection from resistance. You got to watch how the price react before you make a decision. If it breaks through 348.4, that puts 350 back in play, also around with the 200-day moving average. Okay, so same drill. Took out a critical support. So tomorrow we'll watch for the retest of that critical support. Okay, rejections, sharp rejections, especially when you see those long wicks like that. Got rejected from the 5-day moving average. Bearish price action. Okay, that's what you want to see before you decide, am I bearish, am I bullish? Well, when seeing a strong rejection from resistant, you know, it's showing you that there's sell pressure. Okay, also with the SPY, rejection from the 5 DMA, QQQ, rejection from the 5 DMA, that's the red lines. Okay, so remember, if you guys watch my how to trade like the charters video that I post a link in the description in every video, I talked about the power of the 5 DMA. Rejections from it are very bearish. Okay, IWM, also a rejection from the 5 DMA. Once again treated the 209 level as a resistant, and it dropped even lower down to the next support of 204.9. We spoke about this yesterday, and it broke it a little bit. Okay, so we'll watch for about, if we get a, you know, we open maybe a gap up tomorrow, that will be support. Watch for the back test. Okay, so the 209 level is getting further up there with IWM even lower, so we got to watch where the 5 DMA is. The 5 DMA is going to serve as a resistance for tomorrow. Currently it's at 208.27, but by the time it opens tomorrow, it could be even lower, down to 208, maybe around the 207 area. So we'll see. Okay, so make sure you guys have a chart, use the 5 DMA, and see for yourself where it's at, and use it as a reference. All right, level to level. We break the 5 DMA, that put 209.2 back in play. You guys know the drill. And if we lose, continue to stay below 200.93. 195.7 is the next support down. Okay, Tesla. Now here you go. Spoke about this blue trend line, rising trend line yesterday, how we lost it. So today, same drill as everything. We're keeping it very simple today. Take out critical support, back test that critical level as resistant, and then head down lower. You can see that wick. Okay, had a little false recapture, of course, went up there, but we lost it again. And if we lost it, that should have been your sign. Hey, we get rejected at this critical level. Okay, it's tricky to trade. It's easier said than done in hindsight. You know, that's what I got my Discord for. I do it in real time. Anyways, so as far as I'm concerned, we failed to get that recapture. We lost it. Head down lower, so 970 is the next price target to the downside. I don't think it's gonna hold this time, and we can head down to a previous low 888 around here, and then the big critical one all the way down here 824. Okay, I think 824 would be the best place to go long, but we'll see. We'll play level to level, as I always say. I hope you guys found some value in this video. Hope you guys made a shit ton of money with or without me. I wish you success. I thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button if you could. And I'll talk to you all soon.